In this tutorial, I'll show you how to access Hulu outside the US. Let's get started. Hulu is only available in the US, but you can access it from abroad using a virtual private network, VPN. Start by subscribing to a reliable VPN service like ExpressVPN or NordVPN. Download and install the VPN app on your device, then connect to a server located in the US. Once connected, go to www.hulu.com or open the Hulu app and log in to your account. If prompted, clear your browser cookies or restart your device to avoid location errors. If you don't already have a Hulu subscription, sign up while connected to the US server. Remember, some payment methods may require a US billing address, so check Hulu's requirements. That's it. You can now stream Hulu from anywhere in the world. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy streaming Hulu.